Hey you, it's Sanjang here from Hungry Gopher. I'm at the park and I want to talk about how to lose weight for good for people who are age over 40. We tend to believe that as you get older, you get fatter, you get sicker, you get dumber, and that's what we believe in because it's taught. But from my experience, it's quite the opposite. What it seems to me that even though I'm getting older, I'm getting healthier and I get smarter and I get fitter. And I don't do any exercise that I don't want to do. And based on my so-called exercise, doing the activities I love doing. I get all my bicep by lifting the heavy, large skillet, the cast iron skillet when I cook. And that gives me bicep because I do a lot of cooking at home. So 3 things. Think about when you want to lose weight for good, not just the fat, but the lasting results for you to get for your weight loss. Number 1, structure your day with the things that you like to do. So start your day with what you enjoy doing. This takes mindfulness, meaning Alan Langer puts it really well, actively noticing things. So simply noticing what you enjoy doing. There's some construction noise in the background. Hopefully you can't hear it, but if you can, that's part of life, right? So what I mean by that, notice that what you enjoy doing. I had a really difficult day yesterday for some reason. I had this dark cloud over my head and I couldn't shake it off. So I decided to come to the park today when I woke up this morning because I know that always brightens my day. I love being outside and the nature and the sunshine and the trees. I want to show you this tree, which is so gorgeous. Okay, this doesn't work because the camera is facing me. So put it back here. So whatever that makes you happy and make you feel alive, do that, whether it's singing, dancing. So start really observing yourself, what lifts your mood. Even if when you're really dark, something that lifts your mood. For me, it's always nature. So even if I don't feel like walking or going into the wood or the park, I make sure I do that when I have the energy and will to do it. So promise yourself, make a commitment that you do something that you enjoy doing. And that's number 1, to lose weight, because that's gonna help you to burn calorie naturally because you're moving your body, which is awesome for your detoxing as well. And gradually, your body will shape up because you're providing the environment that your body loves. Your body is designed to thrive and get healthy. That's how we are designed. The proof is right here, right? I'm here talking to you. You're watching the video. So number 2, somebody was watching me because I'm recording. That's funny. Number 2, focus on eating what you enjoy eating. So if you focus on things that's healthy but you don't enjoy, that's not gonna stick. So focus on something that you enjoy eating. Let me give you an example so you understand it more clearly. For me, I really like enjoying potatoes, avocados, good pork belly, and the seafood, and fresh veggies that taste like real vegetables, right? That's one of the reasons I go to farmers market religiously, because their vegetables have full flavors. And a lot of times the vegetables actually taste better than the meat I buy because there's so much flavors in it. But you can't experience the flavor of the good vegetables unless you get the good source and good quality. So that's something to remember. So pick the ones that you enjoy eating and you can expand the categories from there. But when you pick the ones that you enjoy eating, you never abuse something that you love. You only abuse something that you need. So if you love food, you don't overeat. I mean, yesterday when I was struggling, I overate so much. My body stopped me because it hurt my stomach. I was eating until I couldn't eat anymore. And I realized, here you go, mindfulness again. My stomach hurts. I can't eat anymore. So that's when I stopped because I couldn't set the healthy boundaries. My body did. So I stopped. So today, from that, my face is a little swollen because I really ate more than my body needed. But that's another conversation. So focus on good food that you enjoy eating, but also have the awareness of learn what causes inflammation. If you have genetic propensity that you're sensitive to food that has high inflammatory components to it, then your body reacts more highly than the other folks. So you have to be more aware what causes the inflammation. So you can reduce the amount of it or remove it at least temporarily. So you can then you can relearn how to calm your immune system. And that's another video. Number 3, be kind to yourself. When you fail, like I did yesterday, I didn't fail. I only got the feedback. There are some things that triggered and I did more than I could handle. So I was a little anxious, and which is fine. And my anxiety reliever had been in the past mostly food. So I went back to the source again. But today I'm having the awareness and learning that, okay, that wasn't the best approach, so I can improve from that. By beating myself up, that what I did yesterday, I'm here talking to you and sharing my story so you can be empowered. Remember, I'm giving you information so you can utilize this to put it into use and let me know what you think. Hopefully this helped you, and tell me if you liked the video or not, or whatever you're watching it, leave the comment so I know what to do going on. All right, see you next time. Celebrate who you are. Bye. Discover more kimchi recipes and health and wellness tips at hungrygopher.com.